Some of these isolated volcanoes rise as much as 9,000 meters from the sea floor, reaching close to the surface. Around these peaks, invigorated by daily sunshine, marine life flourishes in spectacular abundance. Fish crowd here because the volcano forces nutrients to the surface, encouraging the plankton to bloom. An oceanic wanderer, a mola, stops by to be cleaned by reef fish at the seamount edge. Butterfly fish pluck string-like parasites from its flanks. The huge fish lives on jellyfish over 1,000 meters down, where the water is 20 degrees colder. So a brush-up near the surface allows it to warm up before making more deep-water forays. The summit of this volcanic mountain rises above the surface of the sea. It's Ascension Island, 800 miles from any other land, a welcome, vital haven for long-distance travellers.